Hi, my name is K. Satyanarayana. I'm from the advertising industry. I've been in this industry for the past 22 years right now, and now I work for a media buying house which is known as Mindshare, which is the #1 media buying house in the country, and it's an international company which is a group of WPP, which has got the agencies like O&M, then JWT, then Contract, Grey World, all this come under the WPP banner. So I've been working for this company for the past 5 years. Talk about advertising, I have seen from black and white, where the newspaper and used to take only black and white ads in the weekdays, and sometimes only on a Sunday there used to be a color ads, and we used to wait for that because of the space problem and all that. And it's been changed over the years. Now you have all the newspapers which are only running into color, and black and white are very few in the print category, whereas in the TV there used to be only one channel, which is only the Doordarshan, and that is black and white. After 86, I think it's come into the color. Then we have satellite channels have come into in 93, 92, 93, wherein channels have come in with the color and the high definition TV channels and all that. Today, for example, in Hyderabad, in Andhra Pradesh itself, you have somewhere around 20-25 channels which are running as a satellite channels. Out of that, 11 to 12 are the news channels, and balance are entertainment channels. Then you have music, GEC channels. So there's a lot of change in the media which is happening for the past so many years. And as far as what I have seen in advertising is that the trend has changed. There was a lot of corporate advertising used to happen from Hyderabad, whereas there were companies like Alwyn, Babino, then you had Bakelite Hylam, then BST, the Ampro biscuits, which are the few of these companies were there. And today we don't have those corporate advertising, and we have a lot of retail advertising which coming in today, which is coming up very heavily into the advertising industry. And government ads which are there, this has been going up with the like tender advertising and all that. And agencies also have grown. They were, I think, when I started my advertising career, I think there were about 50 or 70 agencies all over Hyderabad. Today I think there are about, if you know, 350 agencies, I can say, maybe more, provided, we call it as briefcase agencies, which are about more than 100 one-man show handles. So there are big agencies which are there, which are very few now. We used to have big agencies like Sistas, then Ulka, then Contract, Clarion, Mudra. But today you have very few agencies which are like O&M, you have Lintas, you have JWT Mindset, and these are the agencies which are big agencies. Then you have localized agencies which are there, and I think the advertising is growing slowly after the recession which has hit last year.